Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about operating system. My name is Divyasri Annaprabhan Ravindran and this is my student ID. Today I will explain the purpose of an operating system, how it works, its types, files management, utilities, security features, and also virtual machines. This is purpose of the operating system act as an interface between user and hardware. Without it, users cannot give instruction directly to a computer. It manages resources such as CPU, memory, and device. It provides an environment for applications to run and ensures efficiency and ease to use. For example, when I use Microsoft Word, I don't have to think about memory or processor control. The OS does it for me. And this is the slide how an operating system works. The operating system receives user commands, interrupts them into machine's language, and allocates resources such as CPU, memory, and storage. It also manages background processes that run silently. For example, when I open Chrome to browse the internet, the OS gives it memory schedule CPU time and still allows me to listen to music in the background. And here I'm going to talk about types of operating system. There are many types of operating system. A single user, single task system like Microsoft Disk operating system runs only one program at a time. A single user, multitasking system like Windows or Macintosh lets us run many apps together. Multi-user systems such as Unix and Linux allow many people to use one computer at the same time. Real-time systems are used in robots or medical tools where timing is important. Mobile systems like Android and iPhone operating system run one smartphones. For example, my phone uses Android, which is mobile operating system. How to select an operating system? To choose an operating system, we must know the purpose. Home users often use Windows. Companies may use Linux for servers. Gamers choose Windows because most games support it. Hardware is also important. For example, Macintosh operating system works only on Apple computer. We must also check software needs, cost, and if it's easy to use. For example, a gamer will choose Windows, but a company may use Linux for a cheaper server. Manage files and folders with an operating system. The operating system helps us manage files and folders. In Windows, we use File Explorer. In Macintosh, we use Finder. We can create, rename, delete, and move files. Folder and subfolders keep file organized. File extension like document or JPG tell the operating system which program to use. For example, when I open JPG picture, the operating system know it should open with photo viewer. And this is the slide of operating system tools. The operating system has tools to help the computer works better. This cleanup remove unwanted file. This defragmentation arrange files in storage. Task Manager shows which programs are running. Backup and restore save data if something goes wrong. For example, if my laptop is slow, I check Task Manager to see which app is running too much memory. And here are security features. Operating system also keep the computer safe. They use password or fingerprint to stop others from entering. Firewalls block harmful traffic. They support antivirus software. Encryption protects files and update fixed problems. For example, my phone uses a fingerprint to unlock, which is security feature of the operating system. And here the last slide, virtual machines. A virtual machine is software that let us run many operating systems one on one computer. The examples are VMware and VirtualBox. We can run Windows on Mac or Linux inside Windows. Virtual machines are useful for testing, practice, and software development. For example, in my computer lab, we use VirtualBox to run Linux on a Windows computer.